Hey there, business owners! Are you ready to revolutionize your product line with custom sportswear and leather goods? Welcome to our house of manufacturing. We specialize in creating top-quality sportswear, leatherwear, and backpacks. And let me tell you, we've got the latest machinery and a team of highly skilled stitching, pattern, and cutting masters who are experts in market research. But here's the kicker. We use an AI bot system that can transform your ideas into physical products with unmatched precision. Whether you need a sample for personal use or a bulk order for your clients, we've got you covered with love and care. No matter where you are located on the globe, just contact us and we'll ensure your order is prepared within the given time frame. Don't waste your money and time on unskilled people. We are the masters in backpacks, leather jackets, hosiery items, leather gloves, casual and heavyweight wrestling belts, you name it, we can make it. Simply send us your sample images or ideas, and our team will respond as soon as possible. Money is not our main goal here. What we truly aim to earn are connections built on love and care. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your business with custom sportswear and leather goods crafted with AI precision. Reach out to us today and let's create something amazing together. Thanks for watching.